So hello everybody and welcome back to Romania Dual Sport. Well, today it's another great day to ride with my ATV friends. So another lovely day. Now I have the chance to fully test the capabilities of the Hood 5 Mosko Moto tank bag, because I've made a static review. Now I'll take it in the field and see if it is truly a great product as it is intended to be. I have it in my drone. If I will get the chance, I will take some drone shots as well. And generally have fun. Look, I'm standing. Really, I do not feel the tank bag between my legs. It's nothing. It is perfect. It's like I don't have it here. I can move forward, I can move backwards. It's perfect. So from this point of view, I really like the Hood 5, at least for the TT600R. So I'm with my neighbor Alin, with his brother who's leading the pack, Catalin, and another friend of theirs. They're all on the CF Moto 800, but their friend has a 1000 motorcycle, 1000cc ATV, sorry, not motorcycle. And we are going to hit the woods, those woods. We need to exit on the dam. So let's see. There is a small little dam here. So we need to go there. We need to exit to that dam. The Mosko Moto Hood tank bag has inside two straps. So if you're wondering how the drone will resist this vibration, she's well maintained by the two straps of the hood. On the bottom of the tank bag there are these two straps, and then everything else is tucked in together nicely. But really, guys, I don't feel it between my legs. Really, it is unbelievable. I was a little bit afraid because, you know, TT600R is not a big bike, but it's not a small bike, but not a big adventure bike either. So because when you purchase the Hood 5, they clearly say it's not for a dirt bike. It's for a mid-size to big adventure bikes. So I was a little bit afraid that it wouldn't fit correctly, or it would bother me while I'm riding standing up or down. But really, I'm lucky. I don't feel anything at all. So we are on the small dam, trying to find our way to cross the river into the other side on the hill. Let's see what we can do, or where can we cross. what we can do and where can we cross. We need to find our way to reach that hill. And to find a road suitable for walking. So we cross the river. We are on the other side. That means the side with the hill is somewhere on my right side. No problem for the TTR to cross the river, even though it was a little bit deep. This thing pulls like a tractor and I'm loving it. I'm simply and purely loving it. Now let's find the track. Let me clean a little bit the lens. Let's find the track to go up there. Great guys, my neighbors. Really, they're sitting like 2 meters from my house. So I'm lucky that I have a partner to ride with. Even though he has no motorcycle, ATV is just as good. Right. So we are entering the track. I've never been to this, or at least I've never entered on this track from this side to go to that hill, to this hill. So it's always good to learn new tracks, new ways, It's bone dry down. Right there is my city. As I told you, I'm super lucky to have this. To have the possibility to go this way. To go all these beautiful tracks very close to my home. Dual sport. I love the dual sport. Who doesn't? 1 minute you're on the street, the other minute you're out in the nature. Fabulous. All the trees are blossomed. Very nice. I'm starting to trust more and more my motorcycle, to get to know her, to get to know the capabilities, and as, let's say, preparation for the big trip that I'm gonna have in June. Hopefully the situation worldwide changes, also in my country, in Romania, so that the state of emergency lifts up and we can go wherever we want again. Anyway, we'll be isolated from the people, we the motorcyclists. Because we will ride mainly in the mountains. You remember the last crash I had because of the leaves covering a very, very big ditch. This track is awesome. Awesome, guys, awesome. We are in the middle of the forest. This track is really awesome. And I think we reached the top of the hill. I hope they know their way around this track, because I have no idea. Anyway, I can rely on our perfect friend Google. Check it on the maps, look at the terrain. Let's see. We need to keep some distance, because if something happens then he needs to turn, I need to have the time to react. He signaled to me that I should go here, so I'm going. Okay, he took again the lead, and oops. Never go too far, too fast. Oh well, what can I say? Again, full with leaves. Very nice. Woohoo! What a beautiful, wonderful track. Wonderful hill.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
This lady is trying to connect. If it was like the last time, with a lot of wet ground, I think I would have had problems because of the tires. These tires are great on the dry ground. The gravel, even the gravel, I had no problems with the gravel, but on a wet soil, not so great. Not horrible, but not as you would have expected. A lot of dust happening here. I need to clean the lenses often to catch good quality images. I hope we can see some wildlife, some deers, foxes, rabbits, something, I don't know. Okay, let's go up slowly because of the leaves. Leave your hand free, don't panic. Let the motorcycle do what it's supposed to do, and that's it.